Hello my dear friends, welcome back to ZP Learning. We are continuing with Abacus Division. Today we will solve some divisions of 3-digit numbers with single-digit divisor. First we will divide 279 by 3. The Abacus rule to place the dividend is number of digits in the dividend minus number of digits in the divisor and minus 1. That is compulsory. Here the number of digits in the dividend is 3 minus number of digits in the divisor and minus 1. The answer is 1. So we will start placing the sum from ones place or first rod. This is our home point or ones place. We will start placing the sum from here. 2, 7, 9, 279 is divided by 3. To help remember, you can place the divisor at the end of the abacus. This is not compulsory. With practice, you can skip this step. Divisor is single digit, so we will consider one rod that represents 2. But 2 is not divisible by 3. That's why we need to consider 2 rods. 2, 7, 27. 27 is divisible by 3. 3 times 9, 27. We will place the answer just beside the rod as we consider 2 rods and divisor is single digit. 3 times 9, 27. Consider next rod that represents 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 times 3, 9. This time we will jump one rod and place the answer here as we consider one rod and divisor is single digit. 3 times 3, 9. The answer is 9 and 3, 93. Pinch your finger and move right to left this way to clear the abacus. Let's try another example. 696 is divided by 4. Here number of digits in the dividend is 3 minus number of digits in the divisor and minus 1. The answer is 1. So we will start placing the sum from ones place or first rod. This is our home point or ones place. We will start placing the sum from here. 6, 9, 6. 696 is divided by 4. As our divisor is single digit, consider first rod that represents 6. 6 is not divisible by 4, but we can get the nearest answer. 4 times 1, 4. We will jump one rod and place the answer here. 4 times 1, 4. We need to less 4 from the actual sum. As we cannot less 4 directly, we need to apply 5's complements. Less a 5, add a 1 to less a 4. 2 is left. 2 is not divisible by 4. That's why we need to consider 2 rods. 2 and 9, 29. 29 is not divisible by 4, but we can get the nearest answer. 4 times 7, 28. This time, we don't need to jump any rod as we consider 2 rods and divisor is single digit. 4 times 7, 28. 28. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is left. We need to consider 2 rods. 1 and 6, 16. 16 is divisible by 4. 4 times 4, 16. Less 16 from the actual sum. The answer is 174. 174. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. We are coming back soon with an exciting lesson. Thank you for watching.